In this video, we'll be practicing words that have ending with ed sound. Words ending with ed can sound like a T sound, t, or a D sound, d, or ed or id, like ed or id. You can see the last page for a grammar explanation. Words ending with ed with T sound, t, practice. Cooked, cooked, worked, worked, watched, watched, asked, asked, hoped, hoped, liked, liked, passed, passed, finished, finished, danced, danced, talked, talked, looked, looked, baked, baked, helped, helped, walked, walked, talked, talked, jumped, jumped, skipped, skipped, missed, missed, wished, wished, fixed, fixed. Words ending with ed, D sound, d, practice. Played, played, studied, studied, called, called, used, used, loved, loved, lived, lived, listened, listened, traveled, traveled, tired, tired, enjoyed, enjoyed, learned, learned, cleaned, cleaned, opened, opened, closed, closed, failed, failed, stayed, stayed, showed, showed, followed, followed. Words ending with ed, ed, or id sound, practice. Wanted, wanted, needed, needed, started, started, waited, waited, visited, visited, wasted, wasted, decided, decided, outdated, outdated, dusted, dusted, painted, painted, sanded, sanded, added, added, twisted, twisted, planted, planted, rented, rented, printed, printed, acted, acted, melted, melted, landed, landed, salted, salted. End of lesson. Vocabulary explanation next. The words ending in ed can sound in different ways, pronounced differently, depending on the final sound of the stem word's base form of the verb. If the stem of the verb ends in a voiceless consonant sound, such as P, T, K, S, or CH, then the ed ending is pronounced T as a T. For example, worked is pronounced as worked. Hopped is pronounced as hopped. Missed is pronounced as missed. If the stem of the word ends in a voice consonant sound, such as B, D, G, V, or Z, or a vowel sound, then the ed ending is pronounced as D. For example, played is pronounced played. Begged is pronounced begged. And allowed is pronounced allowed. However, if the stem of the verb ends in a T or a D sound, the ed ending is pronounced id or ed. Depends on your personal accent. For example, headed is pronounced headed or headed. Needed is pronounced needed. Wanted is pronounced wanted. These differences in pronunciation are due to the way that English grammar and phonology have developed over time. Great job. That's the end of today's practice. Links to the stories with ed ending words are in the comments below. Please hit the like, subscribe so you can come back and practice more. Also, if you'd like to be notified when new videos are posted, hit the bell icon. Thank you for practicing with me.